Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class. Today, we are going to study about bases. What do you mean by bases? My dear students, the substances which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are known as bases. Substances which contain bases are said to be basic in nature. For example, baking soda and soap solution. Depending on their strength, bases are classified into two categories: strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases. Bases which completely dissociate in aqueous solution to give out hydroxide ion are called strong bases. Strong bases are corrosive in nature. It means they can destroy or damage other substances when come in contact. They can burn the skin also. That's why we should handle them with care and should not touch them with bare hands. Examples of strong bases are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Next category is weak bases. Bases which dissociate partially but not completely in aqueous solution are called weak bases. Examples of weak bases are magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Now let us discuss about some important properties of bases. First, bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Second, bases may or may not be soluble in water. Bases that are soluble in water are called alkali. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Third, bases change the color of red litmus solution or paper to blue. Fourth, bases react with acids to give salt and water. For example, sodium hydroxide is a base and hydrochloric acid is an acid. When solution of sodium hydroxide is mixed with the solution of hydrochloric acid, it forms salt, that is sodium chloride, water and heat is released. Fifth, bases are corrosive in nature. That's all in this video. Thank you.